Hello and welcome to Kugamon. In this video, we'll be reviewing just how easy it is to record a manual payment on an invoice via the Classic Terminal. So let's jump right in and explore it further together. If you're wanting to follow along, you will need an unpaid invoice to work with. Now, this can be a real unpaid invoice, or you can create one using fake data. But either way, we're going to need to start by opening that invoice record. Now, from the start, your screen should look more or less like mine. And what we're going to do from the invoice record is we are going to locate and click into this new payment button. It's likely going to be near the top right side of your screen. So let's click into that together. And then you're going to be directed to this payment terminal. Now, within transaction information and payment type, we are going to select manual payment. Now, the values right below, if you notice, they changed right away. You could modify the payment name at this point. The amount is going to be the exact amount tied to your invoice. The payment date is going to reflect today's date, although if you need to modify it, you can just click on the date and then select the appropriate date that's actually applicable to your situation. Now, right below within payment information is payment method. So if you click into that pick list, you're going to see all of the other options. Since we are recording a manual payment, I am going to be leaving this option as the check or money order. Now, you do have the option to include a memo and record the check number if that's applicable for you. And then in contact billing information, you're going to see your contact billing personnel and their billing address. Now, if everything looks good and you filled things out that makes sense for your situation, let's click on record transaction. And now you'll see the payment has been recorded. So from here, we can either view the invoice or view the payment. I'm just going to click on view payment in a new tab, and then I'm going to click to view the invoice. So here is our invoice. You'll notice that the payment status now shows paid. And if I click to open the actual payment record, which was in that second tab, you'll notice that here is a summary of all of the values that we had already reviewed. They're just nicely summarized within this payment record. And then from here, you could process a refund if that is going to be relevant for you. And then you can see additional information as well. So that is the payment record. This is the invoice that has been paid via recording a manual payment with the Classic Terminal. Now, if you have any questions about any of these steps, do not hesitate to send us your inquiry directly within Kugamon Central. And if you like this video and want to explore some more, please visit us at www.kugamon.com. As always, we thank you for tuning in and we look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.